How we going, guys? Cameron from JB Trenchless. Today I'm going to take you through the Goodeng G30. Now this is part of the new generation G series that's just been released from Goodeng. We've helped consult with the manufacturer to put together a rig that meets the Western market, the Australian market needs. I'll take you for a little bit of a walk around so we can touch on some of the main features, and then I'll start it up so we can see how it goes. So at the front of this drill here, the auger stake down system. 2 auger stake downs, both individually controlled here by the levers, isolated. That's going to give you a little bit more extra stability so your rods stay aligned. Down here is your drill fluid catchment. It's a tray which will collect all your fluids coming out of your drill pipe as you change your rods. And it has a little outlet there that you can connect a pump or a hose so it can be channeled out away from the job site. Also down in this area, we've got your auto grease, so you can put your copper thread lube bucket in there, and it's got a pump to shoot onto your drill threads, keeping them lubed up, again, preserving the longevity of your pipe. When you're starting to operate, you can run your safety. Just blocks out the perimeter for operator safety for any people in attendance. Here is where your drill rods are getting racked and re-racked. This basket capacity has 65 rods. These are 3-meter rods. So we've paired them up with the Fire Stick 600. As everyone knows, it's a quality connection. That drives in each row one at a time. You do first row, second, third, fourth, fifth. We got your standard levers to control your angle of entry. Go from as little as 12 degrees and up to 20 degrees. What they do a little bit differently, they run 2 hydraulic rams that are individually controlled, which allow you to get that real short entry angle or a real steep angle. All this is driven by what's under the bonnet, and that is a 147 horsepower Cummins diesel engine, just under 30,000 pounds of thrust pullback. That's why it's got its name, the G30. Its competitor would be the likes of your Ditch Witch JT30, but with the G30 here, you're getting all that bang for your buck because it's priced very attractively. This puts out 3,800 pounds of rotational torque. That's giving you the torque you need to spin the larger reamers for when you're boring out bigger diameters. So you've got the power there for those jobs, and you've got the meters, because as I said, 200 meters of drill pipe in the basket. You're positioning yourself to access a lot of jobs, both urban settings and a bit more regional. Bit over 5.7 meters long, 2.1 wide, and the height is 2.3. With all the drill rods in there, you're looking at an operating weight of about 10,500 kilograms. This can fit on your truck or a trailer, and make sure you pair it up with a quality mixing system and tracking system. What separates this from similar size rigs on the market would be the operator comfort. So this cabin here, fully climate controlled, both heating and cooling, fully adjustable seat with independently adjustable joysticks. You've got a touch screen display for all your RPM and key metrics, plus a position point for your DCI Aurora screen for when you're tracking. So when you're in here, as I said, you've got an adjustable seat and control for the bigger or smaller guys to get comfortable, and independently adjust the seat to push this back even more. This ensures you get a desirable operating position. All right, what I'll do now is I'll rotate the cab. So as you can see, The cab is essentially rotated almost 90 degrees. This is giving you a much broader vision, a panoramic vision of both your spindle driving the drill rods down and your open vice jaws, and then also the entry point of the drill, or the entry point of the drill rods, which typically you would have a pit there dug out. With the controls, you have the choice of setting it up with a rotation like that or a rotation and thrust like that. That is optional. We typically start with a Vermeer style operation, as that seems to be a popular rig and a popular operating style. So we've elected to set this rig up with that setting, but if someone should choose to set it up in another way, that's all customizable upon order. As I said, this is an all touchscreen here. It's got your revolutions, all your pressures. All the controls are essentially on your joystick. Your rod basket and rod selection available on your left, and then your jaws on your right, plus greasing and all the rest. And then down here on my side, you've got your auxiliary plug-in for radio, USB, plug in your phone for power, and then the air conditioning. I've got it on cool right now. It's a hot day, making sure the operator is comfortable for those days out on site. We're your one-stop shop for all your drilling needs. So when you purchase a rig such as this, we can set you up with a full turnkey package to make sure you're getting a fluid management system suitable for the rig size, all your tooling, as well as your tracking system. We've got the support and backing of the main manufacturer. This does come with that 12-month, 1,000-hour warranty. Got this step down here. So what I'll do next is I will start tracking it and walking it to wherever we need to go. But before I do, so at the back, we've got your onboard mud pump behind this cover. I just unhitch this. 200 litres per minute, which translates to 53 US gallons a minute. A maximum mud pressure of 8 MPa in PSI, that's 1,160. So when you're operating or tracking, it comes with this remote control. This allows you to start and stop operation and track it all from afar. So if I will turn that on, pump the revs. So over here at the control, I'll lift up these rear stabilizer legs. That one. I'll show you this drive. So that's your tilt. And if you want to go further forward, got one side there. We'll get a steep entry angle. There's your steep. And now we'll do a shallow entry angle. Much shallower. So we'll put it in a tracking position. It's got 2-speed, 2 gears, slow, powerful crawl, or you've got a fast, high gear for going those extra long distance. It's all driven on steel tracks with rubber inserts, and this has a range of up to 100 meters. I probably can go further. Thanks for tuning in to learn about the G30. Again, this is from the new Generation G series, which also offer other rigs. Go see our Instagram page to learn about the G10, a little bit more of a compact, smaller rig that would be great for your telecoms and NBN type work. Any comments or questions, feel free to reach out to the JB team. We're here to help.